Hi, first graders. So we're ready to teach you the day 1 math lesson. So today we're going to learn a little bit more about 2D shapes and their attributes. So remember, two-dimensional shapes are flat shapes that are not raised at all. So I have pictures on little cards. And attributes are things that we can use to describe shapes, such as number of sides, number of vertices, where the sides are coming together to form points. And another attribute is color. So we're going to play a little game called What's in My Box, and Miss Purinton's going to be making some guesses to see what shapes I have today.
All right, here we go.
All right, Miss Purinton.
Do you have a circle?
So I do not have any shapes with curved sides.
Do you have a square?
I do have shapes with 4 sides. I do not have any squares.
Okay, how about a rectangle?
I do have a rectangle. So a rectangle is a shape that has 4 sides, and it has 2 pairs of parallel sides that are different lengths, and then it has 4 90-degree vertices or corners. So that's one of my shapes. What else do you think I might have?
Do you have a triangle?
I do have a triangle. I have a special kind of triangle called a right triangle because it has a 90-degree right angle, just like our rectangle has in one of the corners. All right, Miss Purinton, what else do I have?
Can you please call 560?
Do you have a hexagon?
I do have a hexagon. Miss Purinton, what's a hexagon?
A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides.
Here's our hexagon, first graders. All right, Miss Purinton, I have one more unique shape in my deck. Any guesses?
How about a trapezoid?
I do have a trapezoid. Do you know how to describe a trapezoid, Miss Purinton?
A trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 angles.
It does. And first graders, the really fun thing about a trapezoid is it has one set of parallel lines. So we see this line and this line are parallel, and the other 2 lines are not. So, Miss Purinton, do you think that you could use the shapes that I have here to sort by one attribute?
Okay.
And first graders, watch carefully and see if you can figure out the attribute that Miss Purinton is sorting by.
Okay. So, Miss Luce, do you want me to sort by this, or I can move them around?
You can move them around any way that you want.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, first graders, I want you to take a close look at the shapes that we have up, and I want you to see if you can guess what Miss Purinton used for her attribute to sort the cards by. So this is one collection, this is a second, and this is the third collection. So see if you can make a guess as to what her attribute was.
Okay. If you guess colors, then nice job. I sorted it by color. So I have all the red up here, all the green, and all the yellow.
Okay, first graders, I'm going to rearrange the shapes and sort by a new attribute. So just watch carefully and see if you can guess what I'm sorting by. Okay, first graders, so here's how I decided to sort. So this is one group of shapes, this is a second, and this is my third group. So I want you to think really carefully, what attribute did I choose to sort my shapes by. All right, first grader, so I chose to sort by the number of sides. So the first row, each shape has 4 sides. The second row, I have shapes that have 3 sides, and then my last row is shapes that have 6 sides. So you actually have attribute cards inside your folder, so if you've taken the time to cut those out already, you can play a game with your families. You can try to arrange your shapes into different rows and have family members guess what attribute you sorted by. Or you can have your family set up a challenge for you and you can try to figure it out. You can play this game right on a table at home or on the floor. Have fun with it, and if you want to, you can take a picture of the way that you sorted, email it to Miss Purinton or I, and then you can ask us to see if we can figure out how you've sorted your shapes. So have fun, and we'll see you soon.
All right, bye, first graders.
Bye.